Good morning, guys. Today I will gonna harvest my vegetable in my little garden. Garden here in the back of our house. See the back and closer to the wall. That's our lemon over there, and this is my giant okra, and this is my ampalaya or better gourd. But look at that. So you can see now is this and this and this starting to be growing, and this one is a little bigger like that, and many here too, but still little. And that's my onions, green onions, and my eggplants. Look at the eggplants over there. See? We will harvest our eggplant. This is our eggplant. It's little bigger now. Look at that. It's big, like my hand. But I need to harvest now. So it's a little bit. Bigs, very big American eggplant, and one more here. It's hiding. Oh yeah, I got you. Got you. We are get another more. They are still small, still smaller. Maybe next 3 days. So we come here, get some okra. So this okra is a baby okra. So we cut now. And this one is bigger. Diba? Wow! Actually, I harvested this time twice in okra. I got 3 pieces of okra before. So that's my harvest. Wow! Look at that. Very, very, very violet. This is my okra and my eggplant. I get 2 of them. see? You can see that? Wow! I'm so proud. I'm proud to have a vegetable here in Arizona, because you know why? Here is super hot like desert. Yeah, it's desert place, Arizona actually. Here in Surprise, Arizona, it's not like in the Philippines, like every day raining. Here like uh, 3 times a year raining, and very dry. The moisture is very dry here, so it's not hot. It's very hard to plant like this. Yeah, the vegetable plants garden. I did every morning watering all my vegetable every day. I never stop till they like this. So it's done. It's done. Done cooking. Init-init pa. Did it. So thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you like my video, my short video. Thank you. See you next time, and keep safe. Have a wonderful day. To subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, or na pinapanood mo to. Thank you.